Understanding, having a falling out. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you might have heard but found confusing: having a falling out. This phrase is a staple in everyday English conversations, and understanding its meaning and usage can help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery together. Having a falling out refers to a situation where two or more people have a disagreement or argument that results in the end or strain of their relationship. This phrase emphasizes not just any argument, but one significant enough to cause a noticeable change in the relationship. It's important to understand that the disagreement could be over something big or small, but the impact it has on the relationship is what truly defines a falling out. While we might not delve into a detailed historical lesson, it's interesting to note that the phrase, having a falling out, uses the word falling to metaphorically describe the decline or deterioration of a relationship, much like something physically falling or collapsing. This visualization can help English learners remember the phrase and its meaning more easily. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. After years of friendship, they had a falling out over money, and haven't spoken since. The band members had a falling out due to creative differences, leading to their eventual breakup. In these examples, the phrase is used to describe significant disputes that have lasting effects on personal and professional relationships. Using this phrase correctly can help you express complex relationship dynamics succinctly. Here are some tips. Use it to describe past disputes. The phrase is often used when referring to disagreements that have already happened. Pair it with details about the resolution. If the relationship has mended or remains strained, include that information to provide a complete picture. We hope this exploration of having a falling out has clarified its meaning and how you can use it in your own conversations. Remember, mastering phrases like this one can add depth to your English communication and help you convey nuanced emotions and situations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.